a massive thanks to Daffodils, since they played a key role towards my career and exactly where I stand today. Yeah, I highly recommend you guys to reach out to Daffodils.
We had very good experience with them. उन्होंने साडी बहुत हेल्प की, चाहे वो जॉब दी का होवे या यूनिवर्सिटी का काम होवे, उन्होंने ऑलवेज साडे साथ दिता. So I would highly recommend Daffodils to everyone for your bright future and successful career.
Daffodils advised me to take accounting in Langara College, which is in Vancouver. So I finished my diploma, I got a really good job, and through that job I applied my permanent residence. And so today I'm doing really well, and I would really want to thank the whole team of Daffodils.
I got my student visa from Daffodils Study Abroad. They helped me getting my work permit and then my PR application. Daffodils Study Abroad to help me for getting my PR, and then I have successfully opened up my business in education sector.
मैं अपना स्टडी वीज़ा डैफोडिल्स तो लवाया सी, उन्होंने मेरी पूरी हेल्प की है इस काम च. डैफोडिल्स बहुत बढ़िया टीम है, जो उन्होंने टीम मैंबर्स बहुत बढ़िया सपोर्ट करते हैं, गाइड करते हैं हर चीज़ ਲਈ. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਮਿਲੇਗੀ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਦਾ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਵੀਜ਼ਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਲਵਾ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰਨਗੇ.
I really want to thank Daffodils India team who made my dream come true and got me admission in Lambton College in Mississauga.
Hi, my name is Karan Kohli and I got my Canada study visa from Daffodils. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shivam and I came to Canada finally while using services of Daffodils. I had study visa refusals from Denmark and Poland, but Daffodils got my visa.